Full book summary. The Untethered Soul by Michael A. Singer. Introduction. Why this book matters. If your mind never shuts off, if you're stuck in thought loops, anxiety, or emotional pain, then The Untethered Soul is the book you've been waiting for. Written by spiritual teacher Michael A. Singer, this book offers a deep and powerful journey into your inner world. It's not about motivation, it's about freedom from your own mind. The core message? You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. This one insight can completely transform how you live, think, and feel. And in this detailed summary, we'll walk through the entire book, step by step, using clear, everyday language. No fluff, just the most life-changing ideas. Part 1. Awakening Consciousness. 1. The voice inside your head. You talk to yourself all day. We all do. Why did I say that? What will they think? I can't believe this is happening. Singer calls this the inner roommate. But here's the key idea. You are not that voice. You are the one who hears it. This chapter teaches the power of observation. You don't need to silence your mind. Just step back and watch it. 2. Your inner roommate. Imagine living with someone who never stops talking, second-guessing everything, complaining, arguing. That's your inner voice. You don't need to engage with it. You can just let it talk and not react. Learning to witness this inner roommate is your first step toward inner peace. 3. Who are you? You are not your body. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. Then, who are you? Singer invites us to explore our deepest identity, pure consciousness. You are the one who sees, hears, and feels all of it, but is not defined by any of it. This realization is the foundation of spiritual freedom. Part 2. Experiencing energy. 4. The lucid self. We live most of our lives in a fog, reacting, thinking, worrying, but real life only happens now. When you become aware that you are aware, you enter a lucid state. You stop reacting and start witnessing. This shift alone can change everything. 5. Infinite energy. Ever notice how you feel amazing some days for no reason and drained on others? Singer says energy flows from within. When your heart is open, energy is unlimited. But when you're hurt, scared, or closed off, energy stops. The key: keep your heart open no matter what. Blocks and release. Every time you resist pain, you trap it inside. That trapped energy becomes an emotional block. Singer teaches you how to release emotional pain. Let it pass through you. Don't fight it. Don't hold it. Just observe and let go. This is real emotional healing. Part 3. Freeing yourself. 7. Let go now or fall. You always have two choices: let go of the moment or suffer. When something bothers you, don't resist it. Instead, breathe, relax, and let it pass. That's freedom. Clinging equals suffering. Letting go equals peace. 8. Removing your inner thorn. Imagine you have a thorn in your arm. Instead of removing it, you design your life around avoiding pain. You never hug people, you avoid crowds, you live in fear. Most of us live this way, protecting emotional wounds instead of healing them. True growth is about removing the thorn, not avoiding life. 9. Death as a teacher. It may sound scary, but thinking about death is one of the fastest ways to wake up. When you remember that life is short, you start to focus on what actually matters. You stop overthinking, you live fully. Death teaches us how to truly live. Part 4. Going beyond. 10. The path of unconditional happiness. What if you decided to be happy, no matter what happens? Happiness, Singer says, is not something you chase. It's a choice. Every moment, you can train yourself to stay open, to stop resisting, and to embrace life as it comes. That's the path to true happiness. 11. The spiritual path of non-resistance. Fighting life creates pain. Accepting life creates peace. Non-resistance doesn't mean giving up. It means flowing with life instead of constantly fighting it. Let go of control. Say yes to the present moment. 12. Contemplating the self. Spend time in silence. Watch your thoughts without judgment. Feel your emotions without reacting. The more you observe, the more you'll see there is a still, silent presence inside you, your true self. That presence is always at peace. 13. The journey beyond. Singer ends the book with a powerful message. You don't need to change your life, you just need to wake up. You don't have to fix your thoughts, just stop attaching to them. Let go of fear, let go of the need for control, let go of the past, and return to the now. Final thoughts. Why this book is life-changing. This book isn't hype. It's a deep, inner reset. It teaches you how to overthinking. Let go of emotional pain. From the chaos in your mind, live in peace no matter what's happening outside. You don't need years of therapy to begin. You just need to observe, breathe, and let go. Start by noticing your inner voice today, then step back from it. And over time, you'll return to the peace that's always been within you. GSMS, go experience the full book. You won't just read it, you'll feel it. Get your hands on the Untethered Soul and give yourself the gift of inner peace. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more powerful book breakdowns like this one. Comment below, what's one thought or fear you're ready to let go of today? Remember, you are not your thoughts. You're the awareness behind them. Let go and be free. It's